Can you equals
Osaatko?
Finnish ability in minutes. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, welcome. Let's unlock a powerful Finnish question together. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and free practice tools. Today you master can you, which in Finnish is
Osaatko?
Gesture tip. Tilt your head, palm up, and ask with a smile. Ready to sound clever and a little funny in Finnish? Let's go. Your learning goal today. In just minutes, you'll ask about skills like a Finn. Core idea. Use
Osaatko?
plus the infinitive, base form. The verb behind it is
Osata.
equals to know how. Example 1. Can you? To speak Finnish.
Osaatko?
Opening parenthesis.
Puhua suomea.
Closing parenthesis dot. Example 2. Can you? To swim.
Osaatko?
Opening parenthesis.
Uida.
Closing parenthesis dot. Example 3. Can you? To fix this.
Osaatko?
Opening parenthesis.
Korjata tämän.
Closing parenthesis dot. Rhyme to remember. Want to know if skills will show? Ask.
Osaatko?
Go go go. Mini dialogues. Listen in and imagine you're there, then repeat aloud. A. Excuse me.
Osaatko?
Opening parenthesis.
Puhua englantia.
B.
Osaan vähän.
Great, thanks. At the pool. You.
Osaatko?
Opening parenthesis.
Uida.
Friend.
Totta kai.
You both splash like champions. Workshop vibe. You.
Osaatko?
Opening parenthesis.
Korjata tämän.
Tech wizard.
Katsotaan.
The gadget hums back to life. Before the show, you whisper.
Osaatko?
Opening parenthesis.
Soittaa pianoa.
They grin and start a mini concerto. Comedy break. You ask your cat.
Osaatko?
The cat blinks like, only if treats are involved. Beat and repeat. Clap with me, short, musical drilling for fast memory. 3-beat chant with a clap. Osaatko.
Osaatko?
Clap. Call.
Osaatko?
Opening parenthesis.
Puhua suomea.
Response.
Osaan vähän.
Call.
Osaatko?
Opening parenthesis.
Uida.
Response.
En osaa.
I can't. Try again next week. Call.
Osaatko?
Opening parenthesis.
Leipoa.
Response. Cinnamon buns appear. Magic? Maybe. Metronome groove. Osaatko, osaatko.
Osaatko?
Keep the rhythm and your memory sticks. Culture tip. Keep it cool. Be clear, be kind, be Finnish level calm. Use.
Osaatko?
To ask about someone's ability or know-how. For a request, prefer.
Voisitko?
Could you, or
Voitko?
can you, and for pure capability you may also hear.
Pystytkö?
Don't confuse them. Ability.
Osaatko?
Versus request.
Voisitko?
At a rink, a coach might ask.
Osaatko?
Opening parenthesis.
Luistella taaksepäin.
Can you skate backwards? Cool, calm, and clear. Quick quiz. You've got this. Answer out loud. Q1. How do you ask can you? Ability, in Finnish? A1.
Osaatko?
Q2. Fill the blank. Underscore 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 underscore.
Soittaa pianoa.
Closing parenthesis question mark. A2.
Osaatko?
Q3. Which one is a polite request form?
Osaatko?
Or.
Voisitko?
A3.
Voisitko?
Q4 speed round. Ability question for to fix this, go. A4.
Osaatko?
Opening parenthesis.
Korjata tämän.
Closing parenthesis dot. Challenge time. Let's lock it in with a fun mission. Loci trick. Put a sticky note on your door reading.
Osaatko?
So you see it every time you leave. Ask 3 friends today using real tasks.
Osaatko?
Opening parenthesis.
Puhua suomea.
Closing parenthesis question mark.
Osaatko?
Opening parenthesis.
Uida.
Closing parenthesis question mark.
Osaatko?
Opening parenthesis.
Korjata tämän.
Closing parenthesis question mark. Mind map switch-ups. Compare.
Osaatko?
Versus.
Pystytkö?
Versus.
Voisitko?
Versus.
Puhutko?
To sharpen nuance. Reward rule. Nail.
Osaatko?
Today and treat yourself. Forget it? Do 5 playful push-ups. Bonus giggle. Ask your pet again.
Osaatko?
Then translate the meow like a pro interpreter. Thanks and next steps. You did great, keep the momentum. Thanks for listening. Practice.
Osaatko?
All day, keep it friendly, and watch your Finnish confidence grow. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons, drills, and freebies at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time, superstar.